Hey guys, it's Tiffany. Welcome back. So today's video is a project share showcasing my Crafting World Designs November release. Anna released 3 amazing products this month, and so I wanted to come on and share a project that I created. So first, let me go over her release. I did this in a previous video, but just in case you didn't see it, I'm just going to share with you really quick. So this is her mesh stocking die set. So this is a really cute die set, and it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 like primary pieces, because this is going to be the main piece of the stocking. This is a stitched layering piece, and then with these two you can either make it a shaker, or you can put the mesh stocking design on top of the on top of your stocking. So it can go either way. So you have 2 ways to do it. And then on top of the main pieces, you have all these really cute sweets. You have jelly beans here. These I think are gumdrops, a pretzel, 2 different shaped marshmallows, and then you can make a peppermint. So this is what I worked with. And I also worked with her label Christmas sentiments, which is this one here. It's a label maker Christmas sentiments. So this is a 3-piece set here. You have this piece, which it fits perfectly with the sentiments. So that's how you cut out the sentiments. And then here you have, it's like a solid piece for like the background. So you can make the background of the sentiment any color you'd like. So you could do like a pink background with black lettering, purple background with pink lettering. There's so many possibilities. So this is a really good set to have, because you have all these words and you can mix and match. And the one good thing about it is it's all on one sheet, you see. So you stamp everything, and then you'll align the die, and then it cuts everything out, and then you have a bunch of sentiments to work with. So I really love that. And then this is called the Gingerbread Stamp and Die Set. So again, this is her cute little gingy stamps. I played with it a little bit. I'm not really good at coloring, so I'll show you all what I did, but I stamped it out again, and I'm going to color my second set different. I'm just trying to practice because I don't really color very well. So again, it's 1 piece, and then you have the plate, and you just align it, and then it cuts everything out at once. Again, that's just a perfect design. So this is what I created. So here's my stocking. I didn't make it into a shaker. I just used 3 layering pieces. The base piece is white on 110-pound cardstock. Then I used some pattern paper. And then I used this shimmer pink paper for the mesh. And then on the top here, I just cut out a small piece from the stocking. So let me get my stocking piece here. So for the main piece, the biggest piece here, I mean, I didn't measure it. I just put the paper till about here, and I only cut out that much, and then I stuck it on. And so to cover the edges, I just used some pom-pom trim there. And then I used this poinsettia from my stash and some leaves from my stash, and I have some netting in the back there. And then this is the sentiment greeting set words. I used Seasons Greetings, and then I used this cute bow, and I have a like, what is that, like a rosette, a flat rosette in the back. So I could punch a hole here, and I can make it a tag and stamp to and from, or I can use this on the front of a card or keep it as an embellishment. I mean, I think it turned out really cute. So I didn't really make one. I cut out some pieces here just to show you. So this is the base piece, and it measures, I know someone had asked me, so it measures 5.5 inches from the point down here to up here to the top, from the toe part, that's where it's going down, and then about 2.5 across. So it's a really good size. So this is the base piece, and here's the stitched layering piece, if you can see that. This just came out from when I was cutting. And then what I thought to do for this one is, let me see if I can find the pieces. Okay, here. So I cut out the mesh, and I used the shaker die, but what I did was I left the top open. So my thought is, I'm going to try anyway. I'm going to glue this together and leave it open so that I can put the sentiments inside, if that makes sense. So let's go ahead and try that. So I left this all like just unfinished so we can just try it together and see. So let me glue this layering piece on. Just try to center it the best you can. All right, like so. So there. Okay, and then this one, so what I did was I only put the paper, like, do I have any paper here? All right, let's use this one. So this is the paper. I put it like so, like that, so it would leave the top open, right? And then I didn't use foam this time. I just cut out about I cut 110-pound cardstock about 4 times. And like I said, I left the top open, and then I just glued it around the edge, and then we're gonna stick it on like so. So hopefully this works out. It was just a thought that I had this morning. So I figured, let me try it while I'm making the video and see how it comes out. So let's see here. I'm going to put that on. So that's the next layering piece. And then we're just going to make sure that's adhered. So that is so cute. I really love this mesh stocking. It's such a neat design. I've never seen a stocking like this. I have a lot of stocking dies, but this one is so unique and I love it. I just love the design on it. All right, so that's the stocking. And so here you would just go ahead and decorate. But what I thought to do was use the sentiments, which I have these sentiments left. These all come in the set. And what I like to do is you can leave them like, sharp at the ends here, or you can use your corner rounder and round them, which is what I did, because I wasn't sure if I was going to do candy cane kisses. I wasn't sure. Yeah, see, I was going to use this. That's why I rounded it. I like it, the corners rounded. But then I used Season's Greetings instead. But anyway, you can just cut out, well, it cuts out everything. So you can just, in one, one cut, you can gift a bunch of these words here. So let's see. Let's just do all this. Say you want to, do Happy Mail and send these. So I was thinking you can have these, so you can have them sticking out. You can make it like a pocket, like so. You see, they all fit. You can just have them sticking out and all make it, all nice and pretty there, however you want to do it. And then you can go ahead and decorate. I don't have anything to decorate it with. Let's see. This is like my These were made for me. Somebody made these. So if you wanted to, you know, something that you can put a, you know, some flowers or like a cluster of flowers. Sorry, these are just like my unfinished flowers. I'm just trying to see, you know, you can make like a cluster of flowers and put some trim hanging down. You put a sentiment here. I mean, there's so many possibilities using this stocking set. So I think that turned out really cute. You can just gift that, put a little Santa. I mean, there's so many things you can do with it, but that's really cute. You can put, you know, like a little flag. You have flags sticking out. That's if you want to make it a pocket. So that's just one idea that I want to share with y'all. So that's using this set, and again, the label maker Christmas sentiments. So that's with using that. And then, so for the gingies, these gingies are so cute. I'm just not good at coloring, so don't laugh, but I'm going to show you all. But these are what I created. So I wasn't sure what color I wanted to use. I don't know how to do shading to make it look like darker and lighter. So at least I colored within the lines, so I'm happy about that. But these are the cute gingies, and I think they turned out cute. I left the tops uncolored because my thought was I was going to use my stickles, which I don't know. Oh, here it is. I was going to use my stickles, and I was going to put stickles at the top, you know, for the frosting. Like this one here I tried. It's a little shiny, but the stickles got, it wasn't coming out properly. So, oh, now it is. All right, so let's see here. So this is what I wanted to do. Just kind of use this and kind of make it shiny. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it looks really cute. Like I can see the iridescent in the frosting. So that was my thought, what I was going to do. Or I was going to use my pens. I use Ohuhu markers and just color them with different colors and then maybe put like glossy accents on it. So I don't know yet. And then I was going to put it on like, you know, some embellishments. But again, I cut these out one more time, and so I still have to color them. I'm going to try a different technique, or I'm going to try to do the shading. And if it doesn't work out, they're just going to turn out like these, which, I mean, I think they're okay. I like the colors. I think I want to go lighter, like maybe more pastel colors. I have to look through my markers to see if they have pastel colors. So my next video, I'll share what I created with these cute gingies. Well, I hope you all enjoyed and got some inspiration. Happy Tuesday, and I will see you all soon. Bye.